Good morning everyone from Paris. We arrived yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. And when we got here, like, it took like 10 hours to get here. Like, we drove, we got a ferry, and then we drove a bit more. What did we do? And then when we got here, we came to our hostel. It's quite nice actually. We've got our own bathroom and toilet thing. We're sharing it with some other girls as well. And then we went on the bus. We went like a tour around Paris, just like seeing all the main things, like figuring out where everything is. And then we had a lunch, dinner. Felt like lunch because the sun didn't go down till about 11 here. So we had a nice dinner like near the Eiffel Tower. And it's a bit raining though, so we're a bit like disappointed because we like wanted to go on the top of the Eiffel Tower, but I don't think there's gonna be any point because you're not gonna be able to see anything because it's like the sky is white. Like, it's white with not like little clouds like everywhere. It's just white with clouds like just covering the whole thing, like fog. And yeah, it's foggy, so you can't really see much. But anyway, we're just gonna go back to the Eiffel Tower today. Maybe get a nicer picture because we were a bit disgusting from the drive and stuff. And then we're gonna go to the Louvre. But yeah, right now I'm gonna go get some breakfast, and I'll see you at the Eiffel Tower. Oh, they're like wet, so half their coat is like...
They must be like cavalry or something, but that's so cool though.
Pull the key out the ignition, run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last, keep talking all your shit. Wondering how all this started, you left me broken hearted. You flip my words, yeah this love hurts, keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more. With you no more. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Telling me you want me bad, but I know it's all an act. Something you say to get you away, keep talking all your shit. You say you got it all, but then you start to fall down. You say no fair, I never cared, keep talking all your shit.
We're at fucking Disneyland!
Hey.
Hey.
What? Oh, bubbles. Oh my god. I need to go to the machine. Bubbles. Bubbles.
I love chestnut. No.
Yeah.
That's cute. Good morning, everyone. We are alive.
Barely.
Barely.
Barely alive.
We've made it to the Swiss Alps. We arrived last night. And it's so beautiful. It's so pretty here. I'll show you. Yesterday we couldn't see the snow. So yeah, going in the first my first helicopter ride. Always wanted to do that.
Loves it.
We're all really tired. Alright, we'll see you when we
Bonjour!
Hello! Hello!
Okay. Well, we're not going to get a minute of free.
Are you excited?
Oh, of course.
I'm so excited.
I guess the first time you jumped out of it was it?
So I am about to go on a helicopter and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. When I'm up there, I'm gonna feel like Anastasia Steele in 50 Shades of Grey. It's gonna be so exciting, and I'm gonna film my friends jumping out. Right there.
my head hangs low after all. These things you said, trust this night you fall. And I'm still the one to blame. Can't say we'll stay the same. Baby, baby, stay here. I need some time to clear my mind. We both know it's a problem when you call me all the time, and I say I may just need a little bit longer. Yeah, I may just need you to be stronger. If I'm not there with you, if I'm not there with you, if I'm not there with you, if I'm not there with you. Can't expect you to understand. Take it back to when it began. Had I just followed all my plans, I wouldn't have ended up so lost.
I'm so proud of you. Your face when you were jumping out, you're like,
I was like, oh my god. I couldn't stop laughing. I couldn't.
was it amazing? Was it really scary?
Oh, I can't hear anything.
Oh, my ears like were popping on the way down. I was like, oh,
Wow.
I'm so proud of
Somebody
you.
had one of the...
Like,
Solid. So off. Baby, baby, stay here. I need some time to clear my mind. We both know it's a problem when you call me all the time, and I say I may just need a little bit longer.